Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we'll be showing you this 2024 F-150 Platinum. This is a really nice truck. It has the black exterior, interiors as well. It's really nice. You have a quick little look at the inside. Okay, and then I'm showing you the back as well. You just have like a little vision in your head of the truck. Okay. Now let's take a look at the trunk. What I like about this is that it has like a step stool like attached to the trunk. It's really nice just in case like you want to have or you're short or something. It works out. Okay, I'm showing you here the tires. They are really nice. I really like the tires, are really nice. Okay. This is it for the exterior. Now let's go into the interior more in detail since I already showed you. Okay, starting off, we're showing you here the steering wheel. Pretty nice, and all the buttons it has. There. It does have a handle. Again, if you have problems getting in, handle can help you. I'm showing you the storage it has. Then it says platinum. It's really nice. Okay. Now from the passenger's POV. I'm showing you here the vents, everything it has. And then the screen there. Then right here has like a little charging section for your phone, computer, whatever. Has two cup holders in here, open right here, and it has pretty big space. It has a lot of space. And then two cup holders in the back. And then I believe you press this button, that goes down. Then you have like a small table or anything so you can eat, work, or whatever you want to have in here. Okay, there you have an outlet, and then extra storage. Okay, now going back over here, you can see the seats with the leather and the platinum logo. And this is the door. Storage. Now let's take a look at the back. Okay, now here I'm showing you again the cup holders. Has the to heat up the seats, an outlet, the vents, and then more outlets. And then it has a cup holder or a arm rest. And then again the seats, the leather seats, and the platinum logo. Okay, take a look at the door. Okay,